Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Marriage Circle. In my previous video, I was showing you how Marriage Circle was read the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this was the video, and you can see right now if we take a look at the live chart, then it is out of this resistance. That is a very big development, by the way, on this weekly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal of Marriage Circle that I shared a few days back with my members. In fact, in the month of January, on 19th of January 2023. I shared this pattern or this trade signal that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that married circle formed with US dollar pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a very powerful reversal move from this buying zone. And that was, by the way, more than a 51% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal setup that was another Gartley pattern with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea in the month of March 2022. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal move, and that was almost a 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other moves or pumps before they happen, then you can join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis. Now, let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart. And this is the live weekly time frame chart of Marriage Circle with US dollar pair. And here we can see that previously the price line was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We found the resistance in the month of December 2021. And now you can see in the previous week, we are out of this resistance. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of this falling wedge pattern as a support. And now our next key resistance will be here at 60 cents. Once the price line will start the next rally from here, then you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a very strong support here from June 2022 up till here, up till October 2022. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to break out this resistance. That can be a big hurdle for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, in my previous video, I was showing you this broadening wedge pattern, and recently you can see that merit circle has broken down the support of this broadening wedge that was formed on this daily time frame chart. And after the breakdown, the price line, you can see for the past several days, it is struggling to re-enter the same wedge. And now this previous support of the wedge is working as a resistance for the price line. If we switch to the smaller time frame chart, then here on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the formation of another falling wedge pattern. Here we have the resistance of this newly formed falling wedge pattern. And here we got the support of this wedge. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and several touch points at the resistance as well. If the price line will be able to break out this smaller falling wedge pattern, then there can be a probability that the price line may re-enter the same broadening wedge pattern. You can see previously it was moving inside this broadening wedge, and once it will be able to re-enter this broadening wedge pattern, then it can also follow this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see here we have the right shoulder, the head, and the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have this is the neckline, by the way. This is the head, and this is the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once the price line will be able to break out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then you can see the next move can be approximately here at 62 cents, or it is also possible that it may also move up to form another higher than the previous high, like it was doing previously when it was moving inside this broadening wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that has been broken out on this weekly time frame chart, then our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $8. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.